This week will be I Can't Talk. I'm here.
Standing at the corner with the Bible in your hand, you're walking up to me because you don't know where I stand. Gotta fill me in with the fundamental laws. You silly little preacher, let me tell you about God. A lover of the path that lives a being and jealous fuck.
Hey, what's up, meatballs? Mr. Meathook here. Today I'm going to be kicking off a new series. I'm going to start a new series starting right now called Free the Figures Friday. You know, I don't ever plan on selling any of the action figures I ever buy, so why keep them in the box? Most reviews you see, people are holding them in the box, trying to show you, and you just don't get as good of a look at them that way. They're meant to be displayed out of the box. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to show them to you guys out of the box. This week will be Star Wars Elite figures. I have Unmasked Kylo Ren and Finn. So, here we go. I can see it now. All you purists are gonna shit your pants, but as you can see, it is thoroughly taped. No, it's not. So this thing's not easy to open. Might have to destroy the box to get this thing out of here. So, hard parts out of the way. First one we're doing is Finn, and I hadn't even noticed this before, but they come with a little base in there. These things have quite a few twist ties, and if you've never seen these, they're Disney Store exclusives. They're die-cast metal. They're not plastic like a lot of action figures are. Pretty sure they're still made in China. Yeah, they're still made in China. But they're overall going to be a better quality than some of the other figures. These things retail for 27 bucks. I got them for much less than that. They were, I think, $9.99 on clearance. 5 twist ties is too much. Look, tons of twist ties back there. Tons of them. I've only got 3 of them undone so far. Earthquake Barry's trying to shake up the whole place. That's my cat. Meow. Always interrupting me, aren't you? You love me and hate when I record, because when I record I'm not paying attention to you and you want to come over here and meow, meow, and all that kind of stuff, huh? This video is going to be heavily edited. There she is. Okay, I almost got this out of here. I had no idea this was going to be this difficult. Oh my god, the legs have them too. I swear I come over here, I start talking to you guys, I turn on my lights. It's like a moth to a flame. Holy shit, this thing's not ever going to be going back in with the ties, I can tell you that. Yay! And the gun's taped in, so I'm just going to pop the tape. So you can get a little blaster out. Pop out the display case. It says Star Wars on it. So for some reason, he's completely metal. Except for his jacket, which opens in a little bit, so that's kind of cool. He's completely metal except for his jacket and his head. His head's rubber. Maybe not. Pretty sure it's plastic though. And the blaster will fit in either his left or his right hand, so he can be ambidextrous. There we go. The first Free the Figures guy is done. Finn from Star Wars The Force Awakens. And I'll assume he's also going to be in The Last Jedi, which comes out this December. Can't fucking wait. I'm hoping I can get my girlfriend to finish watching all 7 of them so that I don't have to go to the theater by myself. Because I'm going to go to the theater and watch this movie when it comes out in December. By myself if I have to. Okay, and now for Kylo Ren. I'm sure he's got just as many ties, so I'll see you guys in about 5 minutes. She thinks she's going to fall asleep. And actually, she doesn't have to watch all 7. Because let's face it, parts 1, 2, and 3, no one needs to see that shit. So she only needs to make it through about 10 hours of film.
I'm thinking we're rewatching AHS or something, I don't know.
I try to get her to watch The Walking Dead, she rewatches The 100. I try to get her to watch Star Wars, she rewatches American Horror Story. She just says fuck you to everything I ask her to watch.
Orange is the New Black, I see.
I told her she needed to watch Orange is the New Black. She did watch Orange is the New Black. Because she can relate to all the lesbians in prison, I guess. Here we go again. I said the cat, and here she comes. That's what I get for mentioning her, huh? You know what? I take it back. These figures do not have plastic faces because Kylo Ren's is definitely metal. You guys are wondering where I got the idea for Free the Figure Fridays? Was talking to my buddy from Totally Horror. Well, he commented on one of my videos where I opened a NECA figure to show it off better because most people don't do that. And he put a hashtag on there of Free the Figures, and that's where it popped into my head. Free the Figures. And since it's already F's, Free the Figure Fridays. Is that everything? Yes. These things were apparently not meant to be taken out because they are a bitch to get out of here. Oh. Got some plastic cleverly hidden in here. Oh my god, are you kidding me? Well, I'll take that off later. You guys have waited long enough. Pre-edit runtime right now, I'm at 13 minutes. This is going on for quite a long time. So here is Kylo Ren, Unmasked. A little bit of a funny story about Kylo Ren. My brother's name is Kyle. And in my phone, under caller ID, under the contacts, he's in there as Kylo Ren. Let's see if I can get the lightsaber to stay in his hand. Well, I'll super glue it on later or something, but yeah. Here he is, Kylo Ren, with his badass lightsaber, unmasked, in all of his glory. So guys, Free to Figure Fridays is now officially underway. If you liked the video, click the like button and the dick like a chick. Stay cool, stay sexy, just like me.